But wait, there's more. So there's always a lot more. The agents are really, really cool. Your customers will absolutely take advantage. You as MSPs, I would implore you to give it a swing. Go and try. You can build them right in Teams. You can have one spun up for yourself in a matter of seconds or minutes. There are agents that Microsoft has published. These are the ones I'll speak to a little bit more. But things like a prompt coach, if you're trying to get that perfect prompt, you can use their prompt coach to say, here's what I'm trying to do. Here's my prompt. Where did I go wrong, or why am I not getting the output desired? And that agent will actually work with you to refine your prompt until you have it right. There's a writing coach. There is a career coach. If I say, hey, given my skill set and you see the flow of my work, where can I stand to be improved? To no shock to many of you, it would be to sit up more straight and be more formal and use bigger and fancier words. So not all of it's necessarily applicable, but that awareness is one that while I catch notions of it every now and then, well, it's nice to see it from someone who has no perceived bias with regards to me.
I've created my own agent as well that's unique to me. I've published it just for myself, and it's not shared throughout the organization, which I think is a big distinction. And I created one to test me on Microsoft content that prepares me for a new exam. So if I'm going to go write a new Microsoft certification that I want, I'm going to get my Copilot to spit out multiple choice questions and test me on that type of content, and then grade me and give me the links to the Microsoft Learn courses that I then need to follow up on if I didn't get a question right. So there's lots of different unique ways that you can utilize it. I'd encourage you to test out and try agents. If you have a Copilot for 365 license, you've got the ability to go create a personalized agent for yourself today.